Hello there! Are you interested in transforming your sketches into stunning artwork? Well, in this video, I'll guide you through the process and demonstrate just how easy it can be done. Start by visiting the Seert site. Once you're there, head over to Swift AI. In this section, just click on Sketch to Image. Right here, you've got options to draw an image, type a prompt, or simply upload your own drawings. In this video, I'll be showcasing the process by uploading sample drawings. Okay guys, now let's give it a go by uploading my first sample drawing. After you've uploaded your drawing, you can type a prompt and choose a style if you want, or keep it no style for a surprise. Wow, that's amazing! Let's take a closer look at the result that we generated. Okay guys, now I'm wrapping up this video after trying the process with 3 more drawings. I hope you've enjoyed the magic of Seert. Feel free to explore it yourself, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video to support more content in the future. Thanks for watching.